Welcome to Leaseweb Tech Demos. Today we will walk you through a feature in the Leaseweb customer portal called Invalidations. First off, enter the URL you want to invalidate. So we copy it from here, and you add the URL. They appear in the invalidation list below. Remember, you can add up to 75 URLs in one go. I put the HTTP version and the HTTPS version, and then click on Submit. After submitting, you can check the status by clicking the I symbol next to your invalidation. All your past invalidation requests will be listed under the invalidation pane at the bottom of the page. Before submitting your invalidation request, you can double-check everything using the invalidation list. Once you are happy with the list, click Submit Validations to queue the request for processing. After submitting each invalidation, the request gets a unique ID for easy tracking. Thanks for joining Leaseweb Tech Demos, and we hope to see you soon.